Dear students and friends, we studied chapter 12 up to chapter 12. Now let us study the chapter 13. Chapter 13 speaks about circle or loop preceding initial hook. Circle or loop preceding initial hook. For initial hook of purple like this, it will be a circle will be initially used. In that case, what are the sound represent? That we have to study. Let us. I just read from the book. Initial S or SW or ST preceding a straight stroke hooked for R is expressed by writing the circle or loop on the same side as the R hook, that is with the right motion like this. Thus, how to write pry? Pry we write this, the R hook, then I diphthong, pry. We write like this. Now, how to write spry? Spry. How to write spry? The S sound is there initially before per sound. In that case, a small circle is used. Spry. In this, S and R sound. S and R sound is included in this. Spry. Spry. That is, S and R sound is there. After, so it represents SR sound. Spry. You have to write the gram log also, diphthong, like this, spry. Because I vowel is there, I diphthong is there. Then stray. How to write stray? Stray. S-T-R. Stray. Stray. Then crew. How to write crew? Crew. Crew. Stalker. Stalker. In this word, ST loop is there. Stalker. Stalker. Star loop is there. Stalker. STR loop. Stalker. We are using statial loop. In this word, cur sound is this, and the vowel crew. Crew. Like this, S before other hooked stroke. In other cases, S is written inside the initial hook, so that both circle and hook are clearly shown. Thus, offer. I will write offer. Now we are studying R hook. R hook. R hook. In between the words. R hook. How to write? Sever. Sever. Then S sound is there. Then word hook is there. Then the outline. Sever. 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 It we write like this. Sever. Then sutar. I will write sutar. S sound is su, then tar. Instead of writing there, we write like this only. So tar sound is inside. Tar. Sutar. STR sound is there. STR sound is inside. So it represents STR sound. Stir. Sutar. Sutar. Now, like this, the L is also represented by a hook. Now, settle. How to write settle? S and till. Settle. We write like this. Settle. So, it will be a small hook. like this, settle. Till. Settle means the till. This S sound is also there, then till sound is there. Till sound. Settle. Now, civil. How to write civil? Civil. S sound is there, then will. Civil. Civil. Then prosper. In between the stroke. Prosper. 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 This is prosper. S sound is there. Again the per sound is there. Prosper. Prosper. Now, when L hook cannot be clearly shown in the middle of a word, the stroke L is written. Thus, suppose in between L sound is there and it clearly cannot see. In that case, you have to write the full form. For example, forcibly, forcibly, forcible. Forcible, how write? Suppose if there is any doubt and if you cannot translate the stroke written by you, then you have to write clearly the whole outline, to whole consonant. But instead of writing shorthand, don't write a longhand while taking dictation in any of situation. Forcible. Forcible. How to write forcible? Then forcible. Forcible. You have to write full outline. Forcible. Because you cannot write a bill here. Instead of writing bill, you cannot write full because this a sound has come in between. That is why you are writing full form. BL. Forcible. Disagree. Disagree. How to write disagree? Disagree. Through the line. So you write the outline like this. This is disagree. Disagree. A sound is a to represent a sound, and for gar, in between the S stroke, there's a gar sound is also there to write. So disagree, like this. Otherwise, how to write disagree? Disagree. All these outline you have to write to make to write disagree. Instead of writing all these things, these are short form. Since we have studied the gar, ST loop, S loop, and the gar loop, all these loop we have already studied. That is why it's further made shorthand easy like this. Disagree. Vowel here. Then gar sound is also there. So we write like that. The S sound is also there. Gar sound is also there. Then the vowel. Disagree. We write. That is over. Now in this lesson, this is over. And now, in this lesson of the chapter 13, there are exercises. Exercise 47, 48, and 49 and 50. There are 3-4 chapters that you have to practice in the house. Every day you have to practice. In this also, there is a gram block. Gram block, for example, how to write from. From, all these consonants you have to write. Instead of writing all these things, what you have to write? For on the line. This is from. So to save your time writing the full consonant, you can write a short form from, for on the line. Then very. What is the between from and very? Only thin and thick. This is thin. For on the line, this is were. This is thick. T-H-A, thick. Thick and thin different. From is thin and for very it is thick. Were on the line. Then there. there on the line is there. Now pleasure. Pleasure, sir on the line. Sir on the line is pleasure. So these are very surprise. Surprise. How to write surprise? These are generally used words. Surprise. Sa, pa, st loop or SD loop. This is SD loop. Surprise. The S and per sound. The three sounds are coming in the circle. S sound, sa, par. Then this is SD loop. St loop or SD loop. Surprise. This is a past tense. That is why SD loop. Surprised. So these are the grammar blocks in this chapter that you have to practice every day. Chapter you have to repeatedly study from since beginning to the till you study the lesson on a everyday basis. You have just to remember that this you have to keep in your brain so that shorthand become more easy to write. So this chapter is over.